second demo, not live in production right now, but I've been working on our Google Sheets integration. So I'll just take everyone through the flow real quick. This is not finalized. You'll see it's a little janky here. We're trying to figure out where to put this setting. This is not an org level auth anymore. This is per user because you want to connect to your individual, Google Sheets to look at your documents, things like that. So we have an OAuth flow here. Then we'll go to our dashboard. I think I already have an existing delivery. Oh no, let's just make a new one. So this only works for single tiles right now. So we'll just send this query, go to Google Sheets. You'll see we need to pass spreadsheet ID, sheet name. We have either overwrite or append. So let's just go to our sheet. This is going to be our ID. Pass the spreadsheet ID. Let's hope this works. And there we go. So this needs a little bit of massaging for UI, UX, but hoping maybe out within the next week or so.
I believe that is the #2 most requested feature right now. So love to see it.
Corey, I had a question. It's awesome. First off, is there a reason why we would want to extend it beyond a single tile? I know you mentioned it's only available for single tile.
You're saying, is there a reason in the future to enable it for like a whole dashboard send?
Or yeah, it's just like would people, I guess the example is if someone wants to send an entire dashboard and each individual tile is a separate like tab in a sheet.
Yeah, something like that. I need to figure out like how you can specify a certain sheet that you want to target. Or if you're just like overwriting whatever data exists in your Google Sheet. Something to play around with, just like V0, just start with single tab or single query.
Yeah. It feels like there could be just like a bulk dump thing that could be interesting, actually.
Yeah.
Like make a new sheet even. Something like that. Because like I agree, the mapping is just nonsense there.
Yeah.